7:06 this morning, a controversial Florida law banning schools from discussing sexual orientation and gender identity in kindergarten through third grade takes effect July the 1st.
Governor DeSantis signed the Parental Rights in Education bill into law yesterday. News4Jax reporter Ashley Harding is joining us now live. And Ashley, the law will likely face legal challenges.
Absolutely, Jennifer and Melanie, good morning to you both. Yes, Equality Florida has already said that it will challenge this in court, and critics call it the Don't Say Gay bill and claim that it silences teachers and could harm LGBTQ plus students. But supporters say it keeps material that isn't appropriate for younger students out of the classroom. Following months of controversy, Governor Ron DeSantis signed the Parental Rights in Education bill Monday, a move the governor said nothing would have stopped him from doing.
I don't care what big corporations say. Here I stand. I'm not backing down.
Disney has condemned the bill, and students in some Florida schools have walked out in protest. The bill's language does not outright ban the use of the word gay, but it does pump the brakes on sexual education instruction, including the topics of sexual orientation or gender identity in kindergarten through third grade. Local attorney Rook Ringer sees problems with the language.
I mean, the way the law is written is it's really vague. And that's another thing it's a constitutional death knell when a law is vague, because when it's vague, it then becomes very easy to use it for something else.
The bill's supporters say it gives parents more oversight into what their children see and discuss at school. They also say LGBTQ topics should be kept at home and out of the classroom.
Parents have a fundamental role in the education, healthcare, and well-being of their children.
But opponents say the bill will only have a negative impact and will remove teachers as lifelines to vulnerable students. Lakeisha Dorsey's son is in fourth grade and believes conversations about non-traditional families is important.
And if nobody's talking about it, that kind of gives them the inclination that something's wrong with it. And I don't think that's fair for the children. There's lots of kids that have same-sex parents, and it's not necessarily their choice that's their family dynamic, but they shouldn't be made to feel bad about it.
And President Joe Biden has condemned the law, saying on Twitter, every student deserves to feel safe and welcome in the classroom. Reporting live, Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.